I've got cold. And I've tried many ways to heal myself.
Tea, pills, nose spray, rest, magic juice, and more tea.
But none of them have got me warm. Get it? Anyway, I've heard that cold exposure is supposed to boost your immune system. Like, let me show you. There is a ice bath. So I thought maybe if I go in this ice bath, I would be magically healed. Would it make sense? Right. Let's try it out. Alright, this is the bath that collects rainwater and you're supposed to get in there somehow. Like this. I thought it would be a lot colder in here. Jokes aside, I think we need some kind of tool to break this solid ice. Let's find an axe or something. Maybe I can use this. I don't think so. And the reason why I'm testing if one should go ice swimming when they're sick is because often when I'm inviting my friends to go ice swimming, they bring excuses. And the most common excuse is that they are sick. Maybe I can cut through the ice? I don't think it works like that. And if I manage to prove that cold exposure isn't actually that bad for the one being sick, then the next time I'm trying to convince my friends to go ice swimming, I have a secret weapon to win the argument. But I don't think there's anything in this shed that I could use to break the ice, so let's go check indoors. Maybe I can break the ice with these. Nah, I don't think so. I'm not strong enough. Maybe we have something here. Oh! That's what I was searching for. Let's get it! I thought it was going to like... But it was just like... Well, try it too. Let's try to use this end. Shit, bro!
You don't make any damage.
I am actually strong, but today is... I'm sick. Literally, what the heck? I think maybe it's bad for the axe. I don't know. It's my dad's axe. If you're going to see this, then I'm sorry. It's a great warm-up before the cold exposure bath. As you can see, a fist can already go in here. Oh, come on.
Oh, we have water.
Water.
Oh, this is water, yeah.
You see?
Oh,
This is water. That's what we are looking for. I think we need to cut like a rectangle so we can just take the ice out.
Get your hands up. I will try.
Does it feel satisfying?
Yeah. I'm a bit sick, so I'm like a drunk. Do you have any vodka, my children?
We have done it for so long that it's slowly getting dark outside. Are we doing progress?
I don't think there's any water in it. As you can see, the ice starts from like here. So there's a really low chance of going swimming in here.
Maybe we should go to the river instead. Would you be down to go swimming in the river?
No. But only if we can get some biscuits later.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
That's so satisfying.
Our mission has failed. But we still need to prove that swimming in cold water will help to get rid of cold.
And we'll get some cookies later.
Let's go. Alrighty guys, we will go buy biscuits for Maya and then I have no choice but to go ice swimming. What are we doing?
Going shopping.
Everyone's going to look so weird at me if I'm wearing this.
In summer it would be like kind of okay wearing a bathrobe to the shop, but it's winter.
That's be like.
Now let's go swimming. Not me, you.
Hello, one Big Mac please. Water god, take away my sickness. Okay guys, let's cure my cold. Look, ice, water. beating the cold out of me. Yay! Wasn't that bad at all. Hey, it was. It was. Definitely was. In 2 days, let's see the results. If cold exposure can cure the coldness, or if it's going to make it all worse. It's the next day, and I'm not sick anymore. But that absolutely doesn't mean that it would work for someone else. But this experiment is still enough of a proof for me to destroy my friends' excuses. So let's text them, shall we? You wanna go ice swimming? Question mark. Oh, here we go. Nah, I'm a bit sick, bro. This guy.